Hey guys, this is Fundo on Chupagama. Tonight on Imbewu, please like, comment, and subscribe. Zagiti offers Nkululeko his old job back, but he is advanced that he either become the CEO or nothing else. And it seems like Nkululeko wants this position to be a CEO, while Maharaji found she at him some, but she surprised him by spewing flames and telling him to stay away from her. And Maharaj seems like he does not want to give up on his child. He wants to bond with Shira. While Zetulele becomes scared when he see Sakile entering on the place of food, and he becomes shocked that Sakile is back on Kulugutu. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.